What's going on? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. And on this episode, I'm going to share with you how to repair a damaged and dry beard. But before we get into this topic, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, with that off the table, let's get right into it. All right, so pretty much how the story goes is that for everybody that knows, I moved from LA here to Atlanta, and my beard became severely damaged, severely dry. It was devastating. Let's go ahead and throw up there Exhibit A. As you can see, it's embarrassing to look at, but you begin to notice that the look of it is horrible. It definitely was something I was very embarrassed about. So me and my business partner went on this journey to uncover how to repair a damaged beard. So what we did was we got together a concoction called the My Beard Conditioner. The My Beard Conditioner is a co-wash and beard repair. And it just did an amazing job on my beard. So these are a couple things that it did. One, it helped to strengthen and repair my beard. Number two, it helped to fight frizz because it has anti-static agents to help eliminate the frizz. And thirdly, it's going to help protect your beard against damage. It deploys a repair team in a sense. And you just think about it like this. If you're driving down the road, there's potholes, it's not smooth, it's damaging your car, you're going to call the city. The city is going to send out a team to help with smoothing out and repairing those potholes. So that way it's a better driving experience, and also it looks a lot better. And that's the same concept that we took with the My Beard Conditioner. And then fourth, it's going to give you a boost of shine. And when our beard is damaged and it gets deteriorated because of the wear and tear, shine goes away. So you're able to get that shine back. And last but not least, it helps to increase moisture retention. Moisture retention is super important because you can apply My Hydration and you'll be like, why is it not? It still doesn't seem like it has no moisture. Why does it not seem hydrated? Well, because your beard is not able to retain it. Think about it like this. If you have, if your door is open, right? Or you don't have a door and you're trying to keep the AC in, or you have a hole in your roof and you're trying to figure out why you're unable to keep the AC in. Well, you have a hole in your roof, you have no door, AC retention is very, very low. And that's the same thing that happens with a damaged beard that's devastated, is that the door is off, there's holes and cracks along the shaft of your beard, so now it's not able to retain that moisture. So that's why with the My Beard Conditioner, it has the repair component to come in and help repair those parts of your beard, so that way you can retain that moisture. And then of course the second thing that in order to help with the dryness of it is the My Hydration. Now we have the new and improved formula that's going to give you extra hydrating power, right? Longer lasting moisture, longer lasting softness, longer lasting feel, and of course, longer lasting drip. So that way you can avoid the dryness, avoid the breakage, and then you can keep your beard looking its best. Now, last but not least, what I did was I trimmed off my dead ends. I trimmed those split ends. I didn't want to do it. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. I really didn't want to do it, but I had to do it. So as you can see, let's throw up Exhibit B. You can see this is where my beard is trimmed, and it's a little bit shorter than what it had been, but it looks entirely better than what it did. All right, let's take that down. So trimming your ends is important, and Toya Cuts and I did a series on beard trimming, so go ahead and check that series out if you want more in-depth information on that. And so that's pretty much what I did. So let's go ahead and throw up Exhibit C. And as you can see how, for me doing the My Beard Conditioner, the My Hydration, putting those two power tools together, and then of course with the trim, I was able to get a fuller, thicker, and softer beard all in one. You can see it just looks entirely a lot better. Day and night, right? Day and night, I know. Well, I hope this helps you on your journey. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Leave your comments, give me some likes, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. This is your boy B, the Beard and Hair Science Guy, and you already know, we out.